They were going to do an engine oil change for GMC Terrain Mobile 1 5W-30 for high mileage, because my SUV is a high mileage one. And also an oil filter. We need this oil filter TG918. We also need oil panel, oil pan, tools, a socket to unscrew the oil drip. And the size of this is 9/16. And of course we need this jack and an axle stand. Let's start. That's it. Next is I'm going to position the oil pan underneath the oil. The oil might be a little hard. Yeah, that's it. We need to wait for maybe 1 to 2 hours for all the oil to drip. So of course for other cars such as SUV, they have different sizes. So let's go. We're using this socket and this wrench that you can elbow with. This is very helpful. So we're just gonna put this thing here. So now it's spinning slowly. But if it's too loose, I think you can do it with your hands. So I'm just doing it with my hands. I'm going to pull it up slowly. It's cramped here, but it can be done. So this is the one. Make sure you have a vertical up here. So we're going to replace it with the new oil filter. This is the old oil new filter. Twist a little bit, pull it, and that's it. This is the old. Should be almost the same. I'm going to put them together, the cap and the new oil filter. That's it. This one you can throw it away. Then let's put this back. Here, I'm just gonna use my hand. Put this new oil filter with the cap. Use it with the hand. Twist it with your hands first. Slowly, second in the lever. You twist it clockwise to tighten it up. Okay, now it's no longer dripping. That means all the oil has been emptied. So now we're going to put back the oil plug. We'll just use my hands. Not so tight, just right. Pour the oil, the new oil. This is the oil that we're going to pour. Mobile 1 5W30. We're going to use the panel to refill. And now we're done. So after this, I'm going to cover it up. I'll pour everything. Then I'm going to close it. Make sure it's tight and not loose. That's it. We're done.